Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are McPeek Adventures. What's our adventure today, Danny?
We are going to the BOK Center to see some Tulsa Oilers arena football.
Let's go adventuring!
The Tulsa Oilers are Tulsa's indoor professional football team. They play their home games at the BOK Center in downtown Tulsa. Before the game, we stopped by the merch booth to check out their newest shirt designs and then stopped by one of the concession stands for chicken tenders and a hamburger with chips. We knew it was almost game time when the oil wells started being set up. This massive display was used for an epic entrance. I'm not sure I ever recall seeing motorcycles going out onto a football field for an entrance before, but it was pretty sweet. After the introductions were done, they cleared the field and it was time for the game to start. There was never a dull moment as there was plenty of crowd interaction throughout the game. This incredible catch for a touchdown and the celebration following helped show why Joshua Crockett is one of the crowd favorites. Heads up if you like free stuff. If you're a fan of high-scoring games, this is definitely a place you want to be.
Alright adventurers, we just finished our time here at our first Tulsa Oilers arena football game. What'd you think, Danny?
I thought it was really interesting and I would definitely do it again.
Totally agree.
If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure!